Hey, come on! We've got to get going! LeChuck is making off with your governor again!
How did you get in here without a head?
I have a head.
We'll need to scare up a ship first.
What happened to your ship?
I sorta sank it with a rock a while ago.
Oh. Ah, that's okay. We can take mine.
You have a ship?
Yep.
If you have a ship, why are you waiting to be rescued?
Why, heck, if you're stranded, you've got to be rescued. Says so in the rules.
Will you take me to Melee Island?
I'll lend you my ship if you promise to rescue me with it.
Okay.
Let's go!
Well, that certainly was easier than the trip to Monkey Island. I wonder where Toothrot's gone to now. Now I'll have to stop the wedding by myself. Yikes!
Hey! Wait a second!
I'm selling this fine mouthwash.
Is it mint flavored? I only like the minty kind.
Cool. The church is the other way!
Excuse me. Do you have an invitation to the wedding?
I must have left it in my other pants. Bye now.
Not so fast, buddy. You don't look very ghost-like to me. You're very pink.
I suffer from a rare pigmentation deficiency syndrome.
You don't sound much like a ghost either. Could you wail and moan or rattle some chains or something?
My chains are at the cleaners being degreased.
Well, okay. But where's that dank, musty, beyond the grave ghostly smell?
Oh, that! Just let me get my boots off.
No, never mind. If you're really a ghost, prove it. Let's see you pop your head off.
You mean the head on this root beer? This stuff's great! Watch out, LeChuck! There's a new sheriff in town and his name... Hey, I better get to the church. I've got to get to the church. That's not the church. That's not the church. That's not the church. That's not the way to the church.
If there be any man with reason that these two people should not be united in blissful matrimony, let him speak now, or forever hold his peace.
Stop the wedding!
Hey! Who's that?
You!
Take this, you vaporous voodoo vermin!
Take what? Are you trying to bribe me?
Governor!
Governor!
Governor?
What's going on?
Oh, Guybrush, you mad fool! I'm impressed you came to rescue me, but it really wasn't necessary. I had everything well in hand. Unfortunately, your arrival has made it necessary for me to tip my hand early.
How? Who? But... what?
How did you manage to escape?
Oh, that was easy. LeChuck is a bozo.
Hey!
And lots of his crew members were friends of mine when they were alive.
I thought LeChuck was going to marry you.
Yes, so did I!
Yes, so did he. But I arranged for a little surprise when it came time to kiss the bride.
If you're here, then who's that in the dress? What?
Oh, don't scare them! They have my ghost-sapping root beer bottle!
Oh, I'll get it! Oops.
Nice going, Guybrush. Now I've got to chase them down to get my voodoo root beer back.
But... Hey!
You dared come here and confront me? I can't believe your audacity!
Well, I can't believe your stupidity.
Yeah? Well, I can't believe your frivolity.
Well, I can't believe your enormity.
Yeah? Well, I can't believe your mobility.
Well, I can't believe your atrocity.
Yeah? Well, I can't believe your fragility.
Well, I can't believe your alacrity.
Ah, I grow tired of you.
Say now, let's not be hasty. Ah! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Good to see you, son. How's the ship? If you're interested in trading up, I can give you a fair price for it. Howdy, partner. You know, just by looking at you, I can tell you're a man of the world. A man with an eye for quality. A man who knows a good bargain when he...
Hey!
Yikes! Oh, don't sneak up on me like that.
Sorry.
That's okay. You know, LeChuck was a deviant, obnoxious, slithery, creepy, crawly sort of a guy, but I'll say one thing for him.
What's that?
It sure looks nice exploding against the night sky.
Yes, it's very romantic. Can I buy you a root beer?
Actually, I'm a bit sick of root beer. While I was in the machine over at Stan's... Gosh, I hope Stan's okay. I wish my crew could have seen this.
You know, I can't shake the feeling that Guybrush was somehow responsible for that big rock sinking the ship.
Yeah. As soon as we find a way off this island, we're gonna have ourselves a little chat with Mr. Threepwood.
Let's get out of this hut first.
Yeah, at least I learned something from all this.
What's that?
How to deal with frustration, disappointment, and irritating cynicism.
That sounds like something my husband would say.
Ah!